quiet evening when the small spacecraft, barely visible against the dark sky, plummeted through Earth's atmosphere. A blip on radar, unnoticed by many, led to a dramatic discovery when the vessel crash-landed in a remote forest. A team of top scientists, led by Dr. Rose Allen, arrived at the crash site. Their mission was clear: investigate the alien object. The ship's contents were extraordinary: materials unknown to Earth, and a lone survivor. The being was unlike anything they had ever encountered. Tall, thin, with translucent skin and glowing eyes. The team quickly went into action, setting up makeshift labs to study the alien. But as they began their work, something didn't sit right with one of their colleagues, Dr. Rocky Pearson. He had spent his life studying the ethics of scientific research, and something about what they were doing felt wrong. The creature, which the team had already dubbed Align, seemed peaceful, almost desperate. Dr. Pearson's suspicions grew when he noticed that Align's ship was more than just a means of transport. It was a beacon sending out signals. It was clear that Align had not come to invade, but rather to escape. He was stranded, and the team's efforts to study him could very well be preventing him from returning home. Rocky spoke up, but most of the scientists were eager to learn more, to push the boundaries of human understanding. "We can't keep him here. We need to help him get back to his home," Rocky argued. The debate grew heated. Dr. Allen and her colleagues were consumed with the potential knowledge Align could provide. But Rocky couldn't shake the feeling that what they were doing was wrong. Every instinct told him that Align wasn't just a specimen to be studied. Rocky took matters into his own hands. He quietly approached the alien, communicating through gestures, trying to understand what he needed. Over time, the two formed a bond. Align, despite his limited ability to speak, shared his longing to return to his home planet, a distant world in another galaxy. One fateful night, Rocky made the decision to help Align escape. Using his scientific knowledge and the ship's technology, he managed to decipher the controls and prepare the spacecraft for launch. When the moment came, Align was reluctant to leave, but Rocky assured him that this was the only way to ensure his survival. As the craft took off, disappearing into the night sky, Dr. Allen and the others were left in silence. Back at the lab, the team discovered the evidence of Rocky's actions. Some were angry, but others understood. They had been blinded by the pursuit of knowledge and had forgotten the importance of compassion. Align had returned home, but the question remained: what would happen next? Had Rocky's actions paved the way for future cooperation between humans and extraterrestrials, or would the consequences of their interference be far greater than anyone could imagine? The truth was out there, but for now, only one person knew the alien's story, and his decision to let him go.